Oh, we've got a keyboard to unbox. A keyboard, the LoFree Flow 2, and it's wrist rest for you. The LoFree Flow 2.
FragWatch here. Today we're going to be unboxing the LoFree Flow 2 keyboard. I got the stealth edition, silent edition, whatever, and their little cloud foamy boy wrist rest. Let's start with the wrist rest because I'm kind of the most excited for that. I also have their mouse over there, the HiFi or whatever. I've been sitting on that for like 2 months. I got cat hair all over my shoulders. My kitten was draped around me like a scarf. It's going to be okay, folks. Make sure my compressor's off. Okay, let's open this up. Move the mic. Get me leaning down like this. I also got a new chair. I got the Libernovo Pro Omni, whatever the fuck. It's good. It's great. Switching from a Herman Miller in-body. I got the footrest with it. It's pretty killer. Pretty spectacular. Tofu. They're Tofu wrist rest. I got the rainbow edition, apparently. I think I ordered white. To go with the keyboard. And they go, oh, what is that sound? Oh, okay, it's plastic on the back. Whew, Jesus Christ. Little concerny boy there. Holy shit. That was sounding bad. All right. Not bad. Okay, and it comes with quality control passing sticker. That's neat, right? Yeah. Okay, here we go. So I keep looking past the camera at my monitor to see my dumb face. My apologies. It's been like 2 months since I've recorded a video. We're getting back in the saddle. Just got back from vacation. I'm sick as fuck. Sorry about my voice. LoFree Flow 2. All right. Just for you. Here we go. See, I keep looking up. Let's adjust the window. You guys will be here right when I adjust this window. There we go. Now to look at my face, I have to look into the camera. So I usually have it set up. Anywho, back to the unboxing. Jesus. Okay. Got environmentally friendly packaging here. I don't want to rip it, and I ripped it. Okay. Get that out of here. Holy shit, that's silent. No joke about that. Wow, okay. That's super fucking flat. Oh, that's kind of flimsy. Wow. If I slam down on this boy, it's gonna fucking break. That could be a problem. Okay. All right, moving on. Ooh. Wow. That's the type that I like to eat. Lots of shit. Ooh, man, this is... Oh, damn, that's a cool-ass cord. Look at that. 90-degree angled cord. That's a fucking nice cord. That might replace this Angry Mouth cord, finally. Okay, we're going to leave it there for now. Damn, that's really nice. I got more of these switches. These keycaps. It's got, like, laptop chiclet keycaps. Damn, man, this is... Oh, and it's got media keys labeled on here. Where do they put the function key on it? Ooh, damn. If this is good for gaming. It's mechanical. So I have my hesitation switching from, Hall effect to this, but damn. All right. That was pretty much it. That's the unboxing. Fuck yeah. Okay. Woo-wee. Ho, FragWatch here, and we're just unboxed a keyboard that I might actually be excited for. Catch you guys in the next one. Sorry for the long break. I needed some time to think whether I wanted to review mice and mouse pads and keyboards and all that shit. And ends up that I do. If I don't reach 1,000 subscribers by Christmas, toodaloo, FragWatch will be gone. Okay, anyways, catch you guys later.